We are starting corn harvest on the family farm. This is my new series on American farming. We're starting from scratch. Well, not really, because we have $30,000. But so we're starting corn harvest and buying hogs. I'm going to put the green part to the side. We don't need it right now. Okay, so we're here. Jeffrey goes driving the truck. Really touch that. Still getting used to the controls. You have to reshow the icon. Alright. We are going to buy 4 sows. Purchase. We're going to drive back to the farm. Pick up that right here. We're hauling the sows back to the farm. Very beautiful game. Squad did an amazing job. I'm planning on expanding the farm. Maybe like buying a couple fields down here. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to continue with the series on the family farm. And just help me out a little bit. Oh crap, sows don't go in this barn. Sows go in this barn. Unless they're gonna watch me fail with my backup skills, probably. I'm actually doing pretty good with the back end. Unload all. We're almost loading to the barn. Alright. We're gonna hop out right here. We'll switch to this tractor. Put it in the farmer. We can do it. What the heck? I think the spikes hit the ground. Depends how to feed. Next, so the farm, we put, I think, the 1206. I think we have the 1206. 1206 power diesel or turbo. That is loading. Okay. I think the cells will be like, I think the cells will be like 30 pigs, I think a month. There are only days in this game. I have to remember what button it is to unload. That's definitely right. Let's look at the help menu. Where's the help menu? There it is. Oh, I need controls, I think. Controller. That doesn't have anything. Left bumper and this button. Minus loop around. Do this again. Yeah, I think the unload button, yeah. This is very unrealistic. I'm just pulling it on the button. Alright, we got cells and they're fed. Detach this equipment, sell the bale spear. I have some controls, but I don't know a lot. Auto tractor, these little tractor things. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at the brain power away from these crazy people. Okay, I think Brain needs to fix some things, right? Write this down, Grant. I don't need you yet, so. I forgot how to jump. We should name him. His name Bo Jackson. Here. Actually, I might do that in the next episode. I might start planting next too. Alright, I'm gonna end the episode right here. If you forgot, like and subscribe. Peace.